The slightest words you said have all gone to my head. I hear angels sing in your voice. When you pull me close, feelings I've never known, they mean everything and leave me no choice. Light on my heart, light on my feet, light in your eyes, I can't even speak. Do you even know how you make me weak? I'm a lightweight, better be careful what you say. With every word I'm blown away, you're in control of my heart. I'm a lightweight, easy to fall, easy to break. With every move my whole world shakes, keep me from falling apart. Make a promise, please, you'll always be in reach. Just in case I need you there when I call. This is all so new, seems too good to be true. Could this really be a safe place to